Just because you're trying to serve God faithfully, just because you're trying to live a kind of life that honors God, it doesn't mean to say hindi ka dadaan sa mga sitwasyon na napakahirap na hindi natin maintindihan. In Acts chapter 27 and 28, the story that I'm going to share with you will center around the shipwreck na na-encounter ni Paul at kung ano ang nangyari after that. So the story goes, itong si Paul inaakusahan ng mga Hudyo ng mga kung ano-anong klaseng mga accusations, kung ano-anong klaseng kaso ang binabato sa kanya. No? The reality is they just don't like Paul. They don't like his message, the gospel. No? It has nothing to do with his crimes. Wala naman siyang ginawang kasalanan. Ang pinalabas nila, itong si Paul daw, he is inciting violence or insurrection against the Roman government. So after a couple of hearings, Paul finally decided, I'm going to appeal my case to Caesar, to the Emperor of Rome. Now, ang nangyari dito, on his way to Rome, they suffered a shipwreck. But as promised by God, walang mamamatay sa kanila. And eventually, after the shipwreck, they ended up in Malta. So, when they were in Malta, they were treated with hospitality by these so-called barbarians or tinatawag nilang uncivilized people. Now, the thing is, one time when they were around the campfire, kinagat siya ng isang viper. At ang nakakaloko dito, ang sabi ng mga tao, hindi ka nga namatay sa shipwreck, pero ngayon hinahabol ka na ni hustisya. They were thinking that he was probably a murderer because he was a prisoner ng mga Romans, no? So, the thing is, this word justice, hindi lang ibig sabihin ito hustisya. This is actually pointing to a goddess named Justice that they worship, no? So, after a while, walang nangyari kay Paul. He didn't drop dead, hindi man lang namaga yung kagat sa kanya. He just shook off the snake and that's it. No, end of the story. So, they finally changed their mind and they thought maybe he was a god. No? So after that, nagkaroon ng isa pang encounter with Publius. Si Publius ay isa sa mga chief doon sa lugar na yun. Yung tatay niya may sakit. Merong fever and dysentery. Pero nung pinagdasal ni Paul itong tatay ni Publius, gumaling siya. And of course, yung mga tao in-honor itong si Paul, no? And they supplied yung mga pangangailangan ni Paul later on. Now, the thing is this, bakit ko sinishare itong story na to? You see, sometimes God will allow so-called misfortunes as a way to reach people outside yung radar natin. God allows these things to happen to us. And it's not accidental, no? Hindi niya ginawa to just because of a whim. But he is trying to reach other people so that they could hear the gospel message, so that they could experience His love, so that they could experience His power, nang sa ganun, mabigyan sila ng opportunity magbalik loob sa Panginoon. So don't ever think that God has no purpose para sa mga pinagdadaanan natin. No? And with that, God bless.